How to view your scheduled posts on the Facebook app. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now this can be done on both iPhone and Android, of course. So let's get started. So what you want to do is once you're here on the homepage, you simply just go to your profile, scroll a bit down, and then here where you want to create a new post, you can also see manage posts. So currently I don't have any posts, as you can see, but I actually have one scheduled already. So once I click on manage post, you can now see this scheduled post over here. It says on Saturday, which means this post will be posted on Saturday. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't believe you can actually edit this post, which is quite annoying. So if you click on next, no, I can only delete it. On Instagram, you can even edit everything, which is a bit annoying that you can't on Facebook. But yeah, that is basically how you can view your scheduled posts on the Facebook app. I hope this super quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.